I'm playing Jurassic Park, and right now I'm on a motorcycle riding, trying to get to the I think the Velociraptor gate. I don't remember. So now I have to kind of get a car because I'm tired of the motorcycle. So yeah, I think we're going to the gate. I customized him. So don't try to make him. Don't try to buy him either because you're not gonna get him because he's custom. Now I'm gonna be getting like 4 gold bricks in this. So if I don't know what one is, I'm in bad luck. So it might, well, I don't remember how much. I might get 5. Hello. I know. And he just got down. I have no idea why. I want to get money, so don't mind me. We won't be getting the gold bricks yet. You can customize something, and right now my dog's trying to fight my cat, which always happens, which sucks. Who do I want to be? Who do I want to be? Who do I want to be to do this? What? That's loud.
You know, you could have just knocked.
Wow.
Sure, make yourself at home, why don't you? Help yourself to my stuff.
So that's another one of my customized. Okay, let's get this built. Let's get to my customized. So now I'm gonna have to build this, but apparently it's not working with me, so I need to get that gold brick. I'm gonna need to build that, and I don't know how.